Hi, this is the video tutorial for the second activity in our QR activity pack. If you haven't already, download the activity sheet called QR Creator that's attached to this video. For this activity, you'll be creating QR codes online and saving them to your computer. The first thing we need to do is open up a web browser. This could be Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, or anything similar. I'll be using Google Chrome. In the search bar, we'll be typing the web address. The search bar is normally up here, but can also be here if you're using Google Chrome. For this example, I'll use the standard search bar. The link to the website can be found in our activity sheet, so you can either copy-paste that or type from scratch. So what you need to type in is https://www.qr-code-generator.com. You can also just type in qrcodegenerator.com. It'll probably still take you to the same website, but if you're worried about going to the wrong place, then type in the whole address. This is the website that you should then see. Don't worry about the login or sign up here. You won't need to do this. As you can see, there are different options here for what kind of QR code you want to make. There's a URL option, which is basically making a QR code that directs you to a certain website. There's an email, so sends an email with already set text depending on the QR code. Connecting to different Wi-Fi, some social media options, linking to a PDF document, or some music files. This shows the QR codes are incredibly versatile, and they can be used for sharing all kinds of information, not just words or websites. So if you haven't already, select text here. This is what we're going to be using. So this means that when you scan the QR code, it'll just show a word. As you can see, this is the area to type in your text. The QR code will be generated automatically once you've done this. As an example, I'm going to be typing in a sample answer. So I'm going to type in recondite. The tick here shows that the QR code is successfully generated, and this is the QR code up here. There's an option here to set frames. You don't need to do this, but you might want to because it can just change the way the QR code looks. There's also the option to change the shape of the QR code main part, so you can change like dots or squares. Again, this doesn't affect the information or how the QR code works. It could just be a bit fun. So when you're happy with your QR code, look for the download as JPEG option. It'll be a green circle. Click that. At this point, you don't need to do anything, as your QR code is still being generated. So just wait until the download is done. You may get a pop-up here, or otherwise, as I've had, you might get a pop-up down here. This means that it has already downloaded to your computer. So if I click on this, it'll open up the QR code. So this is the QR code that's been generated off the website, downloaded onto my computer. If you do get a pop-up, it may prompt you to either open the file or save the file. Save the file because that means that it's definitely saved in your folders, and then look for it in your files and see if you can open it up there. You can make as many QR codes as you want by just starting fresh. So if I delete this text and type in dog, then a new QR code is generated. It may keep the same frame and shape, but you can just change this. So create as many QR codes as you need for the activity and keep downloading them. It might be worth calling them different things, otherwise they'll save as frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, etc. Hope you have fun.